everybody. I hope you enjoyed reading about the scorpion yesterday. Today, we are going to read about a type of squirrel. And so we're going to continue our informational reading and a little bit of science unit because all of these animals have lived in one of the type of habitats that we studied this year. So we are working on the strategy of questioning. And we know that good readers read and reread, and they also ask and answer questions. Okay, so today, after I read to you, you might want to read the article again or listen to it again, and you're going to want to go back into the text to make sure you double check your answers. So this is the South African ground squirrel. So let's read about their tail. A South African ground squirrel's long, bushy tail is a built-in sun umbrella. The squirrel uses its tail for shade, since there are few trees or bushes in the dry places where it likes to live. This squirrel usually spends the day searching for seeds and small plants to eat. But in the summer, the temperature can get up to 114 degrees Fahrenheit. So the squirrel turns its back to the sun and curls its long tail over its head. Then it has its own personal shade. And you can see the squirrel doing that in the picture over here. So over here at the bottom, it says, fact, when a South African ground squirrel sees a cobra, it waves its bushy tail and the snake leaves it alone. And then we have an illustration on the other page, and that says if you had a South African ground squirrel's tail, you'd never need to bring an umbrella to the beach. Okay, so today you are going to answer 3 questions again for me, and I am going to ask you to write a how question. So I want you to start your question with the word how. Okay, has to have something to do with the South African ground squirrel's tail or something that it does. All right, so reread the text more than once if you need to, and I hope you learned something new.